so let's go ahead and check out and see what we got this time around from unBox. Alright guys, we're back with another unboxing. So I don't know what's inside this box. It's another unBox. Now remember, you guys can go ahead and click on the link at the bottom to go to the unBox site that's connected directly to our account, and you can help us out that way too. So let's go ahead and check out and see what we got this time around from unBox. So first off, we have a t-shirt. It's pretty badass. It's pretty bad. It's got Mario, Luigi, Link with Darth Vader all going for the star in the middle. Dude, I wouldn't mind having it. I'm gonna actually rock this shirt. That's pretty cool. It's a pretty cool looking shirt. Alright, what else we got here? It is the adventure box. Alright, that's what that is. Check that out. Cool Mario with mustache. Alright guys, put that on for me. Boom. What? Mario Brothers, baby. Very, very cool stuff. Oh, Star Wars keychain. It just says Star Wars. That's cool. What is that guy? Oh, looks like we have socks. Socks, check that out, guys. Socks. Alright. Socks. Okay. It's a freaking bow tie. What? Dude, I would totally rock that. You know what? I'm probably gonna rock this. Probably gonna rock that. That's pretty cool stuff. What else we got? Oh! Last but not least, a one-up pin. Check that out. Alright, so let's go ahead and sprawl everything out here. See what we got. Alright, so we got bow tie, the socks, freaking glasses, Star Wars, and this. Now this has everything here. Oh, it's Link socks. That's what that is. Link socks. Super mushroom bow tie. Adventure Bros t-shirt. Right there. And 1 of 5 keychains. I would have liked to have gotten the R2-D2 one, but that didn't happen. But it's cool though. Now remember, unBox is, I believe your first one is like $10. It's like $9.99 plus shipping. You get all this free, not free, but all this cool stuff, including shirt. Very, very cool. So yeah, and that is the unBox. Very quick unboxing. Remember, if you want this box, go ahead. There's going to be a link down in the description below to go ahead and get this unBox or future unBoxes. I believe there should be, I don't know, I think it was like a coupon code or something. But I'll post all the information that you guys need to know in the description. That way you guys can go ahead and get your own unBox. It's $9.95 for the first one, and I believe it's like $12.95 or $15.95 thereafter. So, and remember, it comes with a shirt, so that's pretty cool. That shirt right there, though. I like that shirt a lot. That price tag already is worth the shirt alone, so that's pretty cool. Alright guys, I'm Mike Coronate. If you like this video, go ahead and like, subscribe, share, comment, and follow us on all of our social media outlets. And we'll see you guys at Stanley's LA Comic Con, where we will be streaming live from the floor. So check us out over there. Once again, we're out. Peace.